If you want an inflatable, how to choose a suitable cloth of it is necessary. But how to choose a suitable cloth? Before learning about how to choose a suitable cloth, you should know different kinds of these cloth. Actually, there are 7 kinds of cloth we often use. The first one is PVC material. PVC material has poor low temperature resistance and high temperature resistance and poor stability, but is recyclable. PVC material has many applications in our daily life: building pipes, door and window materials, and raincoat. The second one is PVC mesh cloth. This material is highly tear-resistant, waterproof, corrosion-resistant, flame-retardant, and easy to clean. It is often used as tents, awning, and drifting bag. The third one is Oxford cloth. It is wear-resistant and tear-resistant, lightweight and convenient, waterproof and breathable, and has poor comfort. We make it a waterproof bag, a storage bag, and a sofa cover. The fourth one we called is plain nylon. Plain nylon has high strength and wear resistance, stiff texture, light and dense. It is usually used as labor protection clothing and waterproof coats. The fifth one is twill nylon. Twill is often made into trench coats, suits, and luxury handbags. The sixth one is mixu cloth. It is famous for mixu. The last one is plush. Plush is often used to make toys, carpets, etc. Now, we can talk about these cloths, how to be used in producing inflatable. PVC material is often used in airtight products with simple shapes. It is not durable, easy to break, and can be used as a one-time product. PVC mesh cloth is often used for large inflatable cartoons on water. Oxford cloth products have low-cost performance, thus, it is not recommended. Plain nylon is more commonly used with high aesthetics and high-cost performance. Twill nylon material is thicker and is often used for large inflatable products. Plush material is highly durable, has good texture and rich colors. That's all about how to choose suitable cloth. Got it!